Good evening. Today is Sunday, April 7, 2024, and here are the 7 p.m. SL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the STLs for 3 7 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Sunday, April 7, 2024. Here are the STLs for 3 7 p.m. draw result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for April 7, 2024, Sunday. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of Sunday, April 7, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.